If you're serious about gaming in 2026, then your setup needs more than just RGB lights. It needs raw power, insane performance, and future-proof specs. Whether you're crushing competitive matches, exploring massive open worlds, or creating high-end content, the right gaming PC can completely transform your experience. In today's video, we're diving into some of the most powerful, best value, and next-gen gaming desktops available right now. From high-end beasts with RTX 5070 graphics to compact mini PCs that still pack serious power, we've got something for every type of gamer, whether you're a casual player, streamer, or hardcore enthusiast. And trust me, some of these PCs are absolute monsters, while others deliver unbelievable performance for their price. So make sure you stick till the end, because your perfect gaming setup might be waiting somewhere on this list. Let's get into it. If you're looking for a no-compromise gaming machine that can dominate both gaming and content creation, the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro is an absolute beast. Powered by the Ryzen 9 7900X and the latest RTX 5070 Ti, this system delivers insane performance. Whether you're pushing ultra settings in AAA titles or handling demanding workloads, like video editing, streaming, and AI applications. With 32 GB of DDR5 RGB RAM, multitasking feels seamless, allowing you to run multiple heavy applications without any lag. The massive 2 TB NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and plenty of storage for your growing game library. What really stands out is the premium HYT Y40 case paired with a 240mm liquid cooling system, keeping temperatures low while maintaining a sleek, modern look. This PC is built not just for today, but for the future, perfect for gamers, streamers, and creators who want top-tier performance right out of the box. The Skytech Azure 3 is the perfect combination of performance and value, making it a top choice for gamers who want smooth gameplay without overspending. Equipped with the Ryzen 9700X and RTX 4060, this system easily handles modern games at 1080p with high to ultra settings, delivering consistent frame rates well above 60 FPS. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB NVMe SSD, you get fast load times, smooth multitasking, and enough storage for your favorite titles. The 360mm RGB liquid cooling not only keeps the system running cool under pressure, but also adds a stunning visual appeal with customizable lighting. Whether you're into competitive gaming, casual play, or even light content creation, the Azure 3 offers a reliable and powerful experience that punches well above its price range, making it one of the best mid-range gaming PCs available today. For gamers ready to step into high-performance territory, the Skytech King 95 delivers a powerful and immersive experience. Featuring the Ryzen 9700X paired with the RTX 5070, this system is built to handle modern AAA games at 1440p with stunning visuals and ultra-smooth gameplay. The 32 GB DDR5 RAM ensures effortless multitasking, allowing you to game, stream, and run background applications simultaneously without slowdowns. Meanwhile, the 1 TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD provides ultra-fast data access, reducing load times and improving overall system responsiveness. The design is equally impressive, with a premium case and advanced cooling system that keeps performance stable during long gaming sessions. This PC is ideal for gamers who want a future-ready setup that delivers both power and style in one complete package. The MSI Codex Z2 is a powerful and versatile gaming desktop that combines performance with reliability. Featuring the Ryzen 7 8700F and RTX 5070, this system is capable of handling modern games at high settings while also supporting demanding creative workloads. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM and a 2 TB SSD, you get fast performance, smooth multitasking, and plenty of storage for games, media, and software. The system also supports high-resolution output, making it ideal for gamers who want crisp visuals and immersive gameplay. Its VR-ready capabilities add another layer of future-proofing, allowing you to explore virtual reality experiences with ease. Whether you're gaming, editing, or streaming, the Codex Z2 offers a balanced and powerful experience for users who want performance without compromise. For gamers on a budget, the TOPGRO gaming desktop offers a solid entry point into PC gaming. Powered by an Intel i7 processor and GTX 1660 Super, it provides reliable performance for popular games at medium to high settings. With 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD, the system delivers smooth multitasking and quick load times for everyday use. It's well suited for gamers who want to enjoy titles like Fortnite, GTA 5, and Valorant without investing in a high-end system. The RGB fans and included accessories add extra value, making it a complete package right out of the box. While it may not compete with flagship systems, it's a dependable choice for beginners looking to step into the gaming world. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Master is designed for entry-level gamers who want a smooth and affordable gaming experience. Equipped with the Ryzen 5 5500 and Radeon RX 6400, it delivers stable performance for everyday gaming and general use. With 16 GB RAM and a fast SSD, the system ensures quick startup times and responsive performance. It's capable of running popular games at decent settings, making it a great choice for casual gamers or those new to PC gaming. Its simple yet effective design, combined with reliable components, makes it a practical option for users who want performance without complexity. This PC proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy gaming. If you're looking for a reliable all-around gaming PC that balances performance and affordability, this pre-built system is a solid contender. Powered by an Intel i7 processor, paired with the RX 590 graphics card, it delivers dependable 1080p gaming performance across a wide range of popular titles. Whether you're exploring open-world games or playing competitive shooters, this setup provides smooth and consistent frame rates. With 16 GB of RAM, multitasking becomes effortless, allowing you to switch between gaming, browsing, and light content creation without any slowdown. The 512 GB SSD ensures fast boot times and quick game loading, significantly improving your overall experience. What makes this PC stand out is its versatility. It's not just for gaming, but also perfect for everyday productivity tasks. Combined with RGB lighting and included accessories, it offers both performance and visual appeal, making it a great option for gamers who want value without sacrificing capability. The MXC Gaming PC is a powerful mid-range option designed for gamers who want modern performance without stepping into premium pricing. Featuring the Intel i5 13400F and RTX 5060, this system is built to handle today's demanding games with smooth frame rates and impressive visual quality. Whether you're gaming at 1080p or stepping into 1440p, it delivers a fluid and immersive experience. Equipped with 16 GB of RAM and a fast NVMe SSD, this PC ensures quick load times and responsive performance across all tasks. You can easily run multiple applications, stream gameplay, or edit content without experiencing lag. The RGB cooling system not only enhances the look of the build, but also maintains optimal temperatures during extended gaming sessions. Overall, this PC is a fantastic choice for gamers who want a future-ready system that balances performance, design, and affordability in one sleek package. The TOPGRO T1 Pro proves that great things come in small packages. Despite its compact design, this mini gaming PC is powered by the Intel i9-13900HK and RTX 4060, delivering performance that rivals many full-size desktops. It's perfect for gamers and creators who want high-end performance without taking up too much desk space. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM, multitasking is incredibly smooth, allowing you to run games, editing software, and background applications simultaneously. The fast SSD ensures lightning-quick load times, while support for triple 4K displays makes it ideal for both productivity and immersive setups. Its efficient cooling system keeps everything running smoothly even under heavy loads, making it a reliable option for long gaming or work sessions. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful gaming solution, the T1 Pro is an excellent choice. This mini gaming PC strikes a perfect balance between size and performance, offering impressive capabilities in a compact form factor. Powered by the Intel i7-12700HK and RTX 3050, it delivers solid gaming performance for modern titles at medium to high settings. With 32 GB of RAM and a 1 TB SSD, this system ensures smooth multitasking and fast storage access, making it suitable not only for gaming but also for productivity and creative work. Its compact design makes it perfect for users with limited space or those who prefer a clean, minimal setup. Despite its small size, it doesn't compromise on connectivity or performance, making it a versatile option for gamers, students, and professionals alike. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a portable yet capable gaming system. The TOPGRO 3 Mini Gaming PC is built for users who want maximum performance in a compact and rugged design. Featuring the powerful i9-13900HK and RTX 4060, this system is capable of handling demanding games, streaming, and even 3D rendering with ease. With 32 GB DDR5 RAM and high-speed storage, it offers exceptional speed and responsiveness for both gaming and productivity tasks. Its support for multiple displays allows you to create an advanced workstation or immersive gaming setup. The cooling system is designed to maintain stable performance even under heavy workloads, ensuring reliability during long sessions. If you want a mini PC that delivers desktop-level power without the bulk, the TOPGRO 3 is a top-tier option worth considering. If you're looking for a basic and budget-friendly mini gaming PC, this system offers a practical solution. Powered by the Intel i7-8750H and GTX 1050, it's suitable for light gaming, older titles, and everyday computing tasks. With 16 GB RAM and a 512 GB SSD, it provides decent performance for multitasking and quick access to your files and applications. While it may not handle the latest AAA games at high settings, it performs well for casual gaming and general use. Its compact size makes it ideal for small setups, offices, or students who need a versatile system for both work and entertainment. For those who want an affordable, entry-level mini PC, this is a dependable and efficient choice. So that was our list of some of the best gaming PCs you can get right now, from budget-friendly options to high-end monsters built for serious gamers. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick, or if you're planning to upgrade your setup soon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.